Hi friends, today I am going to start a lecture series on power systems. Power system is one of the most important subject of electrical engineering. It is very practical and very interesting. This is my first lecture on power system series, and in this lecture I will give you introduction to power system. Before starting the lecture, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. First, we start with the question that what is power system? To understand this concept, you need to know two things. First is generation and other is load. First, let's talk about electricity generation. At present time, electricity is our basic need, and you all know that this electricity is generated using generators or alternators. This electricity is generated on large scale in power plants. Now these power plants are of many types, like thermal power plants where heat energy of coil is converted into electricity. We have hydropower plants where kinetic energy of water is converted into electricity. We have solar power plants where solar energy is converted into electricity. Like these, there are many other power plants like nuclear power plants, ocean thermal plants, windmills, geothermal plants, gas plants, etc. All these power plants are located at distant locations and their location depends upon the availability of resources. To understand it more clearly, let's take an example of our country, India. You know that Bihar and Jharkhand are rich in coal reserves. So you will find most of coal-based thermal power plants near Bihar and Jharkhand. There are many big rivers in India like Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Brahmaputra, Krishna, Kaveri. Most of these rivers are in northern India. So you will find most of hydropower plant on these rivers. Rajasthan is best suited for solar power plant. So we can imagine that how diverse is the location of these power plants. This is all about generation. Now we will talk about electricity consumption or load. Although electricity is consumed in each and every part of India, whether it is a city or it is a village, but there are few cities where electricity consumption is much higher than rest of India, and these cities are like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, Lucknow, Indore, etc. In these cities, large electricity consumption is due to large number of industries and high population density. So we can conclude from this that all these load centers or consumption centers are at distant locations, and all the generating points or generators are also at distant location. So we need to connect all the generating plants and these consumers. To connect them, a network of transmission line is laid all over the entire country. This transmission line network connects the generating plants and the consumers. This interconnected network of transmission lines connecting generating plant and consumers is called grid. Or we can say that power grid is an interconnected network which connects generation, transmission and distribution elements. Now come to the power system. Power system is a network which consists of generation, transmission and distribution system. This power system has 6 main components. These components are power plants, transmission lines, substations, power transformers, distribution lines and distribution transformer. This is all about the basic concept of power system and power grid. Now you have to answer this question in comment box. Which public sector undertaking owned by Ministry of Power is engaged in transmission of power in India? So you have to answer this question in comment box. This is all about this video. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram.